If your heart rate climbs while your pace stays flat, that is called cardiac drift, and it's the exact moment you need to change your long-run strategy. We all fear hitting the wall, but most runners confuse normal muscular fatigue with metabolic crashing. They feel heavy legs and panic, slowing down when they actually need to eat, or pushing harder when they actually need to back off. This is where your data helps. Specifically, we look for aerobic decoupling. In a perfect world, your heart rate and pace lines remain parallel. When they diverge, pace stays flat, but HR rises. That is your dashboard warning light. If your heart rate rises more than 5% while pace remains steady in the first half of your run, you are running too hot. Your body is working overtime to cool you down or fuel working muscles. Beyond heart rate, check your cadence. When fatigue sets in, form usually breaks down before your energy tank empties. If you see your steps per minute drop while your ground contact time goes up, you are losing elasticity. A cadence drop of 5% or more typically signals biomechanical failure. Continuing to push pace here increases injury risk significantly more than just running out of sugar. This is when you must make a decision. So how do you react? If HR rises but you feel good, it's likely hydration or heat stress. If RPE spikes and power or pace drops, you are underfueled. Here is your decision matrix. The hardest decision is slowing down. If your decoupling hits 10% and you are barely halfway done, drop the pace by 20 to 30 seconds per mile immediately. Don't fight it. Why slow down? Because training in a highly decoupled state creates massive central fatigue with diminishing aerobic returns. You are better off finishing slower but metabolically controlled than crashing and needing 4 days to recover. However, there is one exception. If you are in the final 20% of the run and drift is manageable, under 5%, holding the pace despite the struggle is exactly the specific endurance stimulus you need for race day. Long runs aren't about perfection. They are about managing decline. Use your data to distinguish between a bad day and a bad fueling strategy, and adjust before you balk. Don't fear the fade. Manage it with data.